Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock and equip various different gadgets for your character and your vehicle on the Ramboat game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat game on your device and you will be able to start playing after completing the basic tutorial and understanding the basic mechanisms of the game. Now, while you play the game, you will notice various different missions that will pop up, which will be displayed at the top section. Now, you are given a set of 4 missions in order to complete each level. If you wish to see the requirements, you can simply tap on any one of these missions and you will see what the requirements are in order to complete this mission and unlock the next level. Now, when you complete these requirements, you will see a tick mark appear underneath each of these missions. After completing the missions, you must wait until you lose all lives and for the game to be over. After the game is done, once your character loses all life, you can collect your rewards and level up, and after your level increases, you might get various different rewards, and these will include various gadgets that you can use with your boat as well as your character. Once you have unlocked them, in order to equip them, just tap on Armory at the bottom right corner and then tap on Gadgets. Now from the Gadgets menu, you will see all of the gadgets that you have unlocked and you can buy them in order to equip it to your player. And now you will see that this gadget has now appeared in the one empty slot at the top section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock and equip gadgets for your player as well as vehicle on the Ramboat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.